Hi, so I want to show you a problem. In case you have a laser printer, I have a Xerox. You might get pretty often the error where you get paper jam. It draws one and then it takes another one and it gets stuck here. Okay, so proper opening order is you remove the tray, you then bend this and pull it out. It's gonna get out from the both sides. Okay, so once you remove the two screws from here, you push it like this. You see, all the base moves, and you get a bit of clearing here and there. Then you can lift everything a bit like that, and then it lifts up. Then on the left side of the printer, okay, then you can push this. When you open it, you just push this and pull it out. Alright, so from here you need to remove the the screws only. So you see one, two, um, three, four, five, six, and seven. So you see this type of screws. This one you leave them in place. You don't touch them. Only the numbered one. Then you remove this. Here is the paper tray. You can put a screwdriver here, there, and then you can push it like this. And if you hold it like a bit here, because it needs to hold it until the roller makes one turn. When you release it, it should go back. Now let me show you how this works. So I'm gonna move this by hand. I'm not sure if it's gonna, there, you see, and now it gets stuck here, and it gets in this position. You'll always find it with the rubber in the back, in the top, and it gets stuck on that. So the way this works, when this one releases, you see, it allows to do one turn. So now the roller will do one turn and pick one piece of paper from here, and then it's gonna get stuck here again. Problem is, you'll see when you press this with your screwdriver from the bottom, from here. So you hold it a bit like this, and then when you release it, it's gonna be stuck for like 1 second. But this one moves very fast, and because when one turn it's over, this one is not, it's still like this. It allows it to do another turn, or maybe two, depending on how stuck this gets. But usually it only allows one more turn, and then it takes another paper and you get stuck there because there should not be another paper there. So that's the thing. Alright, so you see this little foam, it was on the back here. You can remove this part. It has here and on the back. So the problem is when you push it like this, over the years this foam gets very sticky. So how I fixed it, I just removed that part. I just show you that one, and I use some how this, it's wire tape, very cheap, you can find it everywhere. You cut a piece and replace both pads. This is called paper separator. It's it's some rubber here, and this can get dusty or can get worn. Usually you can change them. In my case, I replaced it and I put some bike tire tube. So I just cut this part and I put some double tape here. Hope you found this useful, and like and subscribe for more.